So students, now we are going to discuss about the properties of the actinides. First of all, let's discuss about the electronic configuration. The common electronic configuration for the s orbital of the actinides is 7s2 with the variable occupancy of 5f and 6d subshell. Okay, so the 6d and the 5f orbital are variably filled. Otherwise, the electronic configuration for the 7s is 7s2 only. And also there is a variable in variation in the electronic configuration among the actinides, and this variation in the electronic configuration of actinides is observed due to the empty filled, half filled, or the completely filled F subshell. Okay, these type of actinides show a little variation in case of electronic configuration. Now let's discuss about the ionic sizes of the actinides. So in general trend, as in lanthanides, actinides also have a gradual decrease. Okay, it has a gradual decrease, as in case of as we observed in case of lanthanides. This lanthanides also have a gradual decrease in the atomic sizes of the atoms or their ions across the series, and this is due to the actinide contraction. Okay, so students, here I want to remind you that in the earlier videos you had studied that in case of lanthanum there was the decrease in ionic radii, and there was decrease in the ionic radii and the atomic radii, which was due to the lanthanide contraction. And this one is due to the, in case of actinides, it is due to the actinide contraction. Okay, so don't confuse with these 2 points. Now let's discuss about the general characteristics of the actinides. Okay, so first the actinides are silvery in appearance. Okay, so they are silvery, they appear silvery, but they display a variety of structure. Okay, so there is a structural variability in case of actinides, and also this structural variability is due to the irregularities in the metallic radii, which are very much greater than in case of than it was observed in case of lanthanides. Okay, so actinides have silvery color with the different structures. Okay, and also the actinides are highly reactive in nature, and the magnetic properties of actinides are more complex than those of the lanthanides, although the variation in the magnetic susceptibility of the actinides with the number of unpaired electrons is roughly parallel to the corresponding results of the lanthanides. The latter have the higher values. Okay, so they have the higher values for paramagnetic nature. Okay, so they have higher values for magnetism as compared to the lanthanides. Okay, fine. So students, we have studied about the properties of the lanthanides, and also we have discussed the actinides. So a comparison of actinides with the lanthanides with respect to the different characteristics show that they have a similar behavior and however, even the early actinides resemble the lanthanides in showing close similarities with each other in gradual variation in the properties which do not entail change in the oxidation state. The lanthanide and actinide contractions have extended the effects on the sizes of the actinides and lanthanides and also the properties of the elements succeeding them in their respective periods. Okay, so these are the important properties of actinides. Okay, so when we study about the actinides and lanthanides, they are quite similar in their properties except for some cases.